Let's see how it is right there. Oh man, it might actually be pretty good right there. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I don't know what that was, but welcome back to another video. We're up in the same stretch of creek that we were when we caught the trout in and the big bass. Oh man, this is a big hole, isn't it? Dang, it is kind of deep. We planned on walking through here, but let's just go ahead and get our first cast in. Oh, got something. Oh, it was a little largemouth. Oh, it popped off though. Dang, that sucks. I feel like it's gonna be pretty good today because I'm just using it. Oh, line was a little loose, but it's not so hot because we just had a week of pretty warm weather. Oh, there was a bluegill chasing it. We've had a week of pretty warm weather, and so they were a little active during that, not too active, but we'll see what we can get into. But we're back at that real visited area, open to everybody, and just luckily has a decent creek running through it. Oh man, I just missed one. It was a bluegill, but I got him back. He came back for it. All right. Ooh, it's a big red breast, I think. Question mark. I don't know. Still don't know my sunfish, and he's in me. He's literally in my shirt. Get out of me. I'm gonna need you to get out of there. There we go. But don't know exactly what he is. I want to say he's a red breast, but I may be wrong. We're gonna get him back in there. There he goes. Now I gotta deal with this problem that I don't know how I'm gonna deal with, other than, oh, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the Helgramite real quick. Be right back. All right, so we got this Helgramite on this little biker just went through. On this 1/10 ounce is what I'm gonna put it on. Then we'll get it rigged up. We could walk down this way. Anything wants that. Oh, I think something was on it. Wonder if anything be under that log. I ain't gonna lie, I did not expect it to get under that log like that. I think something's playing with it. Something just nipped at it. Oh, got something. Oh, it's not too bad either. There we go. There we go. Little largemouth bass. Man, he's fighting too. Oh, there he goes. Splashing. Whoa! He just nosedived into my foot. Wow. Come here, let me get you. Let me get you. Hey, let me get you. There we go. Man, he's a little tank. He's not very long. He's got a belly on him. Got that hunger mite right in his mouth. Looks like he's got something else in his mouth too. What is that? But a good little largemouth. Look how big his belly is. Oh goodness. Big old belly on him. Right in the side of the mouth. Big old healthy bass right there. We'll go ahead and let him go. Go ahead and let this one go. Here you go, bud. There he goes. Oh man, that was awesome. So we actually just bought this crawl, and I actually think I might go ahead and try it. So I think I'm gonna try him out. See how he looks in the water. Oh yeah. Oh, he looks good. I like that. Okay. So we're gonna try that. We could try back there. I didn't really get
that far back
there. Oh my goodness, a bass. I'm on a bass. What? When did that happen? Whoa, wait a minute. There was not a... I didn't even know I had a bass on it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to suspend you for too long. Here we go. There we go. I got it out. Huh. Not bad. It's just a little bass, but another largemouth out of that same hole. On a whole different bait. Oh, there you go. You can go back. Oh, he went straight back to where he came from. Or is going back straight for where he came from. Alright, let me get at the end of this. It looks like it opens up pretty big. And it looks pretty deep over there, so try to get in there. A little dumb, not completely. But I can actually cast this thing really far and cover a lot of water. Which I do like. Legs are gonna be all tore up from this one. Man. I could feel the grass every step slicing my ankle. Ah. That's how I feel. Oh man. Oh man, it's even heavier right here. And I gotta watch for snakes, great. Ooh, I kind of like this approach though. Oh, it does get shallow right there. It's like nothing on this bank though. I could try to get it to that tree over there. Well, that wasn't really a tree. Hoogermite might be a little better. I'm getting a little frustrated because I don't like to make a video that only has like 2 or 3 fish in it. I'm just not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of making it. I'm not a fan of watching really someone only catch like 3 fish, but I feel like I should, I don't know, I just feel like it'd be better to have a video where you just have like 8 to 10 fish or something, you know? That's what I kind of wanted to do. Or at least like 6. Depending on like size and how fun the fight was and stuff. You know what I mean? No, you did not just jump right there. A little bit after I just cast this. Oh. Sun just hit it. Oh, got something. Here we go. I let him take it for a good second. A good second before I could get him in. Oh, goodness. Finally. There he is. Do all the flips you want. I finally got you. Finally got you. Where are you going? You can come back over here, bud. Finally got you. Oh, another good little largemouth. Got him right kind of in the side of the mouth. I don't want to hold him by his mouth too long though. But he's he's probably about a ½ pound. I would say that real chunky one that was kind of short that we got earlier, I'd say he was about 1 pound. But oh, finally got this one. And there he goes. Dang, that took forever. What are all these rocks are built up right here for? We'll see if we'll catch anything though. I think this bass was going for my lure and I just completely ignored it. I was looking at whatever's swimming upstream. Oh, we got something. We got a little largemouth. There we go. Look at that. Got him barely hooked, I think. No, you can't go under there. Hey, I said you can't. Oh, look, now you're stuck in the tree. Come here. Oh, don't do somersaults. That's not healthy. Now you made the other treble hook go in you. See what you did? Come here. Oh, yeah, he is. See, if you wouldn't have been doing all that, try to do it where I don't stab you. There we go. Got him in the corner of the mouth. There we go. There you go, bud. You gonna swim off? There you go. Get out of here. Hear all those, like, I don't know what those are. Cats? Cranes? What are those? Oh, I got something. There we go. Finally. We're gonna end the day how we started, with I believe, a pumpkin seed. If I'm not mistaken. I may actually be right for once. I think pumpkin seeds are pretty easy to identify, unless I'm completely wrong on what this fish is. And he really ate this hook. Like, really ate the hook. 2 out. And 3. There we go. But a little pumpkin seed to end the day off of. No! I'm not supposed to do that. Hey, hey, hey. Ow, you got me. Okay, we'll go in the water on your own. That's what I thought. Stop that. But how we started with a bluegill, ending with a bluegill. He's gonna be fine with that little bit of dirt on his face. But anyway, I hope y'all guys enjoyed that. It was fun for me. I really liked it. I really liked the, especially that one bass that I got just in the beginning under that log. Skipping it under there, that was fun. Caught a couple of largemouths. No smallmouths today, actually. It's like the deeper you get, the more largemouths you get. And less smallmouths. But, I don't know. Hope y'all like this video. Remember, I've done another video down this creek before, but not right here. I'll probably come with a kayak one day and come down this area and the area that we stopped today. So that's already 2 videos I could probably get worked up. But at this place that I'm talking about, it's just, you know, it's just a lot of water to cover. And I think we can cover it, but I really just didn't have that much time today. It's about to be dark. But I just wanted to get one in before work. So I guess I will see y'all in the next one.